Alright guys, we're doing infected. We're doing infected. It's first person, so that's all that matters. Let's do this. There's a zombie!
Snipe him!
I don't feel like I don't want to waste ammo. Oh god! No! Dead.
You can't run! Yeah, you infected?
No! We gotta go!
I lost my weapon!
It doesn't matter. You have to go get it. Dead.
You're dead!
We're running out of ammo.
Was it my laptop? I didn't keep one.